it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm doing is taking a pair of tweezers and cleaning up my brows and just getting rid of any unwanted hairs. Now taking my Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to be outlining my brow as well as creating hair-like strokes at the beginning of the brow just to blend everything in later. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Auburn with my e.l.f. Duo Brow Brush, and I'm going to be filling in the rest of my brows and creating the final shape. And I apologize for being a little out of frame. I was trying to get some of the best angles for you guys. So now I'm just brushing my brows out and further blending them in, and then going in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Café con Leche, as well as my Morphe Concealer in the shade C3.55. And I'm using a small angled brush to carve out the bottom of my brows. For the top of the brows, I'm using my Bare Minerals Precision Eyeliner Brush, and I'm just going to carve out the tops. So I'm going to take a little more of that Morphe concealer on the lids and blend that out with a sponge, as well as blend out the tops of the brows with a brush. And then I'm going to set and forget my brows with the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. And last but not least, taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals to highlight the brow bone. And that's pretty much it for my everyday brow routine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!